Hey y'all! Today we're going to show you around the last of the campgrounds that we visited here on the east coast of Georgia. This one is called Southern Retreat Campground, and it's located just a few miles from the Blythe Island Park and Campground, which was the video that we did last week. This campground is also located just off of the Blythe Island Highway, so it's only 5 minutes from the interstate. When you pull in, you'll notice that they have a restaurant in the front of the campground called Fishtails. They also have a pool in between the buildings over there. Their camping area currently has about 100 sites. They are full hookup sites, and most of them look to be big rig friendly. They did also have a shower house and laundry facilities. According to their website, they are currently expanding. We don't have a map of this one, so we won't have site numbers noted, but we still wanted to do a drive-through for y'all since it was in a good location here in Brunswick. Thanks for watching today's video. Leave us a comment below letting us know if you have any questions, or just saying hello and let us know you were here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we hope y'all enjoy it.